Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for SheSave.com, and we're back with another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. We've actually got the February and March boxes here. We're a bit behind. We keep getting these boxes because we love them, but we keep forgetting to share them with you. So these two have actually not been opened yet. As you know, life has been a little crazy. So we had these on the shelf and we decided we're going to do our unboxing now because the April box is currently available and it's pretty amazing too. So we're going to include links as to where you can get these boxes for $15 shipped. You can cancel your subscription anytime. It's by far the best beauty box we've found, right?
Yes.
So we're going to take a peek. This first one right here is what? The February box? Okay.
Yes.
We're going to take a peek and tell you what these are all about. So basically, this is different beauty brands that come together to bring you products that you might not have seen or tried. And the reason that this works is because you pay $15 and they all get to include their products straight to you, maybe products you haven't even tried before. So let's take a look and see what was in the February box. This comes with a little catalog that kind of tells a bit about each product that you're getting, if it's a trial size, if it's a sample, if it's a full size. So I'm gonna read along while Lauren kind of shows you what we've got here. So this first one is the Wander Beauty After Hours Highlighter. Wow, the price on this is 30 bucks.
Wow.
Awesome, okay.
So cool.
And if you want to get a peek at what that looks like out of the box, that's what that looks like. Again, it's from Wander Beauty and its retail value is $30.
Oh my gosh.
That's like, oh.
This is so cool. This is an NYX
yes.
makeup brush.
Makeup brush. Wow. Okay, so the price range on these is from $14 to $17. You just get the neatest things in these boxes. Like, honestly, I don't think we've really had to buy anything else since we started getting these. And we also stash a lot of these in the gift closet. If it's something we don't need or might want to gift to someone, they make fantastic gifts. So what's this? This is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. Wow, okay. So that looks like a sample size?
Yes, I think it
Okay, sample size. Retail on a full size for that would be 58 bucks. So that's kind of a nice little sample.
Cool.
Yep. Okay, what else you got in there for me?
Okay.
Ooh, Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask.
Oh my gosh, sleeping masks are so cool. I love them.
She has loved these boxes, and I'll
awesome.
say for $15 a month, it's just a really fun treat to get, especially right now, okay? So the next one looks like, oh, what is that? That's the Retinol 24 from Olay. I love their products, so that's really neat. Let's see, what size is that jar? Turn it to the other side. Let's see if we can see. Okay. Oh, it's got a coupon inside too.
Wow.
Awesome. Okay, what else you got in there?
Next we have, oh my gosh.
See, a Pill Ultra Cream Lipstick in Mousse.
Wow. The container of it is so pretty.
Wow, that is
and
really pretty.
And the color looks really nice too.
Fancy. Okay, wow, that's a pretty good box. And then down in the bottom, what is that, a mask?
I think so. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Wow, that is really cool. So as you can see, you're well over the $15 price point for what you pay for these boxes. And it's just kind of a fun treat to get in the mail. Talk about self-care. This is about as good as it gets. They also have options, monthly gift subscriptions, which I think are 3 months, or you can do the whole year. If you do the whole year, you get a bonus prize package, gift package that's worth over $200, I think. So anyway, this is definitely something that would make a great gift for a teen or tween. Anybody really, actually, I would love this as a gift. So there you go. There is the what? April box?
February.
February box. That's the February box. Okay, that's why she's here, to keep me straight on these. Okay, you wanna, then let's open the March box.
I love that sleep mask. It looks so cute.
I know, I love everything in there. Okay.
So here's.
This is the March 2020 box. And I actually really love that they give these catalogs because it kind of helps you not only reference everything that you're getting, but learn a little bit about the products as well too. So,
The first item.
mascara. I actually have not had to buy mascara since we've been getting these boxes, and I love it because they always include the coolest mascara lines. So that looks like a full-size product,
it's
right?
big. It looks really nice.
$28 price on that. So right there, you've
Wow.
already paid for this box. Again, these boxes are $15. So that's really cool.
That's pretty cool.
Glamo Lash. Okay, what else you got in there?
So,
Let's see. Red Energy Recovery Serum. Okay. So it looks like the full-size product on that is $40. I don't think that's a full size, do you?
I don't, but still a nice generous size.
Yeah, it is. It's a great way to try these things before you buy them, too. Okay, what's that? Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in
This is
zero.
so cool.
These are the things
I like
that
Urban Decay.
we like getting because that's got a price of $22 retail.
Wow.
So again, that's something that if you get it in this box, you probably wouldn't normally buy on its own, but now you've added it to your collection. And again, $15 a month.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this?
So,
Floss. Oh, okay, you know that one. What is that? Superfood. Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter.
wow.
That doesn't sound bad at all, does it?
No, I should take it out of the box.
Yeah,
Or
let's
it's-
get a look at it. Or is it sealed?
It's
Okay.
sealed shut, but it looks very big, which is nice.
Use all over face, hands, elbows, knees, and cracked heels. That's awesome. We have really, really
That's
dry
so
weather here in
cool.
Idaho, so we will welcome any moisturizing products. Okay, let's see what else you got.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this.
That's why you were waiting so long to take that one out.
Yeah.
You don't want me to get it. Floss, my new favorite gloss in blacks. Let's see. Wow. So that's got a retail of $16.
Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest
That is so
lip balm
pretty.
ever. Oh my gosh.
As you can see, these boxes are really just a little gift to yourself. I mean, a fantastic gift to send someone, but also just the little gems that you get in here. That looks amazing. And that's
Really
got to
pretty
be
color.
full
Yeah.
size, right?
Yeah.
That's really good. Okay.
That's so awesome.
We're gonna
I'm so
fight over
excited
that
about
one.
that.
I'm so excited
And it's hard to
about
find the
them.
perfect lip gloss. So
That's
this
true.
sounds awesome.
And that color looks really good too. Okay, so what do you got there next?
We have another face mask.
Awesome. You cannot go wrong with those. Awesome. Let me see if I can read about that. I kind of like that they include these types of little things in here too, because it's just a treat to have them on hand. So let's set that down and look at all the things that came in that box. So there you go. This is the March box. And then over here we unboxed, it's kind of a mess, the February box. We will be getting the April box soon. I will include links below as to where you can purchase these and get the box for $15 shipped. When you first order, you also get a free gift, and this month's the April gift is really good, so I'll be sure to include details about that. There you go. There is a look again at the Allure Beauty boxes. We will bring you more as soon as we get our April box. This is Carrie Lynn and Lauren for SheSaved.com.